If you like your station wagon slow, loud and fast, then the Audi RS4 Avant may be for you. But is it too underdone for its own good? Introduction. On the face of it, a hooded-up station wagon is a pretty good idea. A big engine, good brakes and great handling work just as well under a body shell that allows dogs, boxes and other junk to be lugged around when you're not carving up a back road. The Audi RS4 Avant has long been at the vanguard of the rapid wagon set, and while its updated turbocharged V6 engine represents a change of philosophy for the RS line, the essence of barking mad meets solid sensibility still holds true. Style. Based on the A4 platform, the exterior of the RS4 is wider, lower and more aggressive, with pronounced haunches front and rear that adds 30 mm to the cars. That with well-proportioned 20-inch rims, a low slung ride height, a huge grille and a subtle yet effective body kit. And the RS4 Avant radiates a macho yet sophisticated veneer that works well to disguise its humble station wagon origins. Specs and value. At $152,529, the RS4 Avant wagon sits below the $156,229 three-door RS5 Coupe and the $157,700 RS5 Sportback, even though it shares much with its RS-badged stablemates. The RS4 single-quote S331 kW, 600 Nm 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 petrol engine, 8-speed automatic gearbox, center-diff-equipped all-wheel drivetrain, adaptive shocks, dual-mode exhaust and big brakes are the same, yet you pay less for them. It also sports LED headlights and taillights, RS-specific sports seat and steering wheel, Audi's digital active dash with customized RS pages and auto headlights and wipers, while upgraded matrix headlights, inductive phone charging, and a heads-up display are part of a $3,900 tech pack upgrade. Size. Load-wise, the 5-seat RS4 has a maximum load space of 505 liters with the seats up and 1510 with them dropped, beating the Merc MC63 Estate's 460L and 1480L. It sports the longest wheelbase of all three RS cars at 2,832 mm, and it also sports the widest tracks of the trio. Not only does this give the Avant a solid platform to work from handling-wise, but means a bit more cabin room, as well. Safety. Audi has equipped the RS4 with traffic jam-capable adaptive cruise control system, to ISOFIX baby seat mounts. High and low speed aid with pedestrian detection. It also comes with front airbags for driver and passenger, side airbags for front and rear side passengers and head-level curtain airbag for front and rear, which help the RS4 score a 5-star NCAP rating. Warranty and running costs. Audi, along with its premium competitors, still falls behind the rest of the car industry when it comes to length of warranties, only offering 3-year unlimited kilometer coverage, spaced with 12-month 15,000-kilometer service intervals. The RS range doesn't fall under a fixed-price service plan. Against a combined fuel economy claim of 8.9 liters per 100 kilometers, we recorded a real-world figure over 430 kilometers of 10.6L 100 kilometers. On the road, it's obvious the RS4 is not as blunt an instrument of back-road destruction as, say, the Mercedes AMC 63, but it still manages to deliver on the thrillometer. Just in a different, more subtle but effective way. The twin-turbo V6 engine is strong and linear, and does its best work with more revs on board. In fact, the gearing of the 8-speed auto means that much of its best work is still to come despite the posted speed limit having long come and gone.